Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to crochet Preemie Baby Hat to fit a little baby. Let me see if I can fit this on this. So I just received an order last night. She's going to buy a couple of my octopuses that I crochet. I do have tutorials for that. And she looks like her baby's coming early, so she wanted a hat for the baby girl that she's going to have. So this is how I join, and you can see it's really tough to find to see the joint area. So I'm just showing you how it looks like when you put it on your baby. I did not do any picots or anything, or any camel toe, because we don't want it to, we want it nice and loose for the baby's head. So I'm going to show you how to crochet this. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. It's super easy. If I'm going fast, you can go to the settings and slow it down. I will try to crochet as slow as I can, and sometimes it's really tough for me, but I will try my best. Let me get a closer shot. Okay, so what you need is the measurement for a preemie baby. It's about 4 inches, so 8 inches around in when you measured it around. But when I lay it down like this, it's about 4 inches, and the height should be just over 3 inches, so closer to 4 inches. It doesn't have to be 4. And try to use the softest yarn that you have. I just went into my stash. She wanted a couple of colors, so I crocheted her a pink one. She wanted pink, she wanted yellow, and I grabbed, these are anti-peeling baby yarn, but the weight is thin, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to double this. You need a 4 weight to crochet this particular size hat. And let me just pull it from the inside, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna start. Like I said, you need a 4 weight or a light 4 weight, and the crochet hook I am using is a 4.5. If you feel comfortable, you can use a 5mm crochet hook. Oh, this is pretty close. Let's get this a little bit further. Okay, so I'm going to make my magic loop. This is how I do it. Super easy. Super easy. I hold it like this, and I automatically go in between, and then I chain 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a total of 10 single crochets. Okay, so like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And then I'm going to join. I'm going to pull this as tight as I can because I'm done. Okay, so now we're going to do half double crochet. Okay, I don't want to do a slip stitch. I don't like that showing. That's the reason I showed it to how it looks like. It looks like a spiral. See? This is what I'm aiming for. I don't want to have a line on it to show that this is the first row, second row. So this way you don't see anything. You only see it goes around and around. So that's what I'm aiming for. Okay, and for this row, we're going to do double crochet, half double crochet on each the single crochet that we did, but we're going to do doubles. So we're going to do 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So you should have total of 20 half double crochets on your row, on the second row. So I'm going to put a marker. So this way you would know that this row is done. So this is the last row that this is the last single crochet that we have done. So when I come here to make my 2 double crochet, here on the next one, I know that I'm going to start the row 3. Okay, just to separate that. Okay, so this row I am only going to do half double crochet. Double crochet, half double crochet. So what I did one, I'm doing the second one, and I pull at once again. So I go to the next single crochet and I make a half double crochet. I pull the 3 loops all at once, and I do 2 half double crochets on each single crochet. And if you get lost, you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4. You count these V's, and each V will be number 1. Okay, so we did 2. It's very easy and very fast. Just like this. Okay, I will finish this row because this will take me forever. Okay, so I finished the second row, and what I'm going to do is on the third row we're going to make 1 half double crochet right here. Oops. 1 half double crochet, and on the next one we're going to make 2 half double crochets on that same half double crochet. So again, 1 half double crochet, and then 2. So you do 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. That's how you do it. This is so easy. And so I will I'm weaving. I forgot to weave at the previous row, but I am weaving on this. And try to crochet as loose as you can. I am a tight crocheter. Yeah. So I did 2. Now I'm going to do 1. Okay, so I will meet you at this end of this row, and we'll continue on the next row. Okay, so I finished the last half double crochet. So from row 4 till row 8, we're going to do half double crochet on each half double crochet. So no increasing anymore. We're done with the increasing because this is for a baby, preemie baby. And yeah, so we don't want it that huge. And this is all we're going to do. Half double crochet on each until we finish row 8. Just like this. So this is all I'm going to do, nothing else. Just go around and around and count your rows. So I am going to move my stitch marker right here, and from here I'm going to count. So when I come to row 8, you can also measure as you go. Just have your measuring tape, and then we will when I finish row 8, I will come to show you how to finish it up on row 9. Okay, yeah, just be cautious to have the yarn super soft, because it is for a baby, right? We want it nice and soft. Oops. And yeah, so I will meet you at the end of row 8. Okay, I just wanted to mention this. While you're crocheting, you will notice that this is happening. This is what we're looking for because we're making a hat, right? So do not panic. Just flip it like this, and then this is, ta-da, this is what we're aiming for. So when you see that, don't panic. So this is for new beginners like who wants to crochet a preemie for their baby, you know. I just wanted to mention. Okay, I will see you back later. So don't panic when it's curling up. Okay, so I did my last half double crochet. Now we're going to start doing the last row, which is the 9th row, and we're going to be doing only single crochets. Okay, try not to crochet tight on this row because we don't want to, you know, have it tight for the baby. So single crochet automatically on each row until I come to this beginning. I'm going to move my marker there, right here. When I come there, I'm going to be cutting the yarn. Okay, but before that I will show you a trick. Okay, so on each, okay, I will finish this row and I will come and show you how to finish it up, and we're almost done. So easy and simple. Okay, so I am almost done. I'm going to make my last single crochet, and here's the trick. So right here on this last one, what we're going to do is we're going to make it like a single crochet, but slip it like this. See? Ta-da! And then I'm going to cut the yarn. Pull this. See how it looks? Okay, now you need a tapestry needle. Okay, here's my trick. Okay, can you see right there? Okay, so I'm gonna go, can you see that V? Oh, I cut it a little bit short. See, I hate wasting yarn, and this is always, I always end up doing this way. Too short. Okay, so can you see that V right there? So I'm gonna go in between right there and then poke it, and pull it. Can you see what I did? So I created like a continuously V, and you won't see any like finish line. You won't see anything. Now I'm just gonna secure this with a crochet hook, or you can use your tapestry needle. Okay, this is for a baby, so we need to be gentle. This is all I'm doing. I'm weaving it, but before I weave it, I'm going to pull this and tie it a little bit. Just a little bit, so it's not noticeable at all. See, you won't see anything. Like, try to make it as straight as I can. Okay, and then I continue weaving this. This yarn is like, feels like Caron yarn. But I was told that this was anti-pilling, so I hope it won't pill. And I just weave it and just pull it like this. nicely. Okay, this is the back of the wrong side of the work, and ta-da, I finished my second preemie baby hat. It looks tiny, but it's for a preemie. So when you put these together, see, they're same. When you measure them, so this is gonna go, I'm not gonna charge the customer. It's took me a short time, like maybe half an hour, less than half an hour. So I hope you like this tutorial. I was when I received her message, I was checking. I never did a Preemie. I do have Preemie hats in the house, but it looks like I forgot to do the tutorial a couple of years ago, and I thought, okay, let me do a tutorial and share it with my lovely customers. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and please don't forget to hit that bell so every time I post a video you will be notified. And yeah, take care everybody. Happy crocheting.